Hotel projects. Rooms devices configuration with my own suite. No ID. You can configure the hotel rooms devices following two methods. Easy, without having to know the product ID, but tapping to make them recognized from your PC. Professional, from the reception through the LAN, I reach each item by recognizing it through the ID. In this video I show you the easy method, tapping the devices. I remind you that to virtually configure the various SGS items, I have to connect to a gateway, which for the hotel rooms is the MH201. I open a project done previously and I enter in a room. To link my PC to the gateway, I connect it to the hotel's LAN or directly to the MH201, leaving the computer in the DHCP. I will do a network scan to look for the MH201 IP address. I am looking for with which IP address was published the scenario module. Note, depending on the LAN, the address may be different. Look, if you are directly connected to the room's MH201, you see only it, but if you are on the hotel network, you see them all. Here, my MH201 has the address 192.168.1.104. I enter the address and I connect. When the light turns green, I'm connected. I can now send the configuration to each device. Here are the details of the various configurations defined in the design phase. Now I'm going to send a configuration recognizing the device with the local button. Remember that you can also use the right mouse button. The software now expects that you touch the actuator. I go then to press the device button that I want to configure. At the moment you touch the device, it is configured. That is the confirmation message. Note, if you touch a different article, you get an inconsistency alert. Going forward, I send the configuration to the thermostat. Again, the software waits, you touch the device. As soon as I press the button, the sending is done. The thermostat thinks for a moment. And that's it, you have configured it. I conclude by the out-of-the-door key reader configuration. Click here to send the configuration. And again, I tap on the product. My own suite recognizes it and it configures. If I wanted to see what I have configured, I could do a bus scan. I scan groups of functions starting from the automation. Found the first, I switch to the next function, and so on. I scan now the temperature control units. I keep what was found to add in the next articles. My own suite now looks for on the bus the temperature control units. Here it has found one and it analyzes the device. Just recognize it, it adds it to the list. Done! I scan also other functions, and I finished. Now to complete the project done, I can enter the IDs found by scanning. Or I throw away the first items and I replace them with the scan result once. Note, if in the project you had added the item description, you lose them with this kind of import. This is because on the device are not saved additional info, but only the configuration.